Hi, this is Pandi from Teratech Electronics. In the previous video, we have demonstrated how we can use an FM AM receiver shield with Arduino. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how we can use a touch shield with Arduino. This is the shield we are going to use. Basically, we are having a variety of touch screens in the market. For example, resistive touch is there, capacitive touch is there, and a variety of capacitive touch is also there. In this shield, we are going to use a capacitive touch electrodes. So for controlling that one, we are going to use a controller that is capacitive controller called MPR121. And in this shield, we are having a 12 electrodes, but this facility is provided for only 9. We can use the rest of the 3 things, and the connection is given there. If you are having an extra capacitive electrodes, we can connect to these pins. And the other specialty of this shield is it is having an inbuilt logic level converter. So we can use both for 5 volt and 3.3 volt. And this MPR121 capacitive touch controller is communicating to the Arduino through I2C communication. Let's see the demo now. I'm going to interface this touch shield with Arduino Carmadia cloned version of Arduino Dumilanave. I have already bound the code into the controller. I'm just going to interface this touch shield. For this demo, I have written a simple processing code having 9 boxes kind of stuff. If you press here, the boxes there will be colored. So here we are having 9 electrodes, so I just make use of 9 boxes there. I'm just going to run that code. This is the thing. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The same way here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now I am going to press 1. And you can see that 1 is pressed. Now I am going to press 2. And then 8. And then 4. 3 and 7. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this product or if you want any detail regarding this one, you can log on to www.teratech.com. Thank you.